How to do a factory reset on iPhone. When you need to sell your iPhone or fix persistent problems, resetting it to the state it was when it came from the factory can help. Here's how to do it, and what you should do first. If you're about to give your iPhone to someone, or if you're just having so many problems that you want to start over, reset the iPhone. It's quick and easy to do a complete factory reset, turning your iPhone back to the state it was when you first got it. Only, if it's quick and easy to do, it's not exactly fast to undo. Plus, you can put back all of your apps, but if you haven't backed up before resetting, you'll have lost data. Here's what you need to do before you start, and then what you have to do a complete factory reset. 1. Go to Settings, then tap General. 2. Scroll down to Reset. 3. Choose Erase All Content in Settings. 4. Tap either Backup then Erase or Erase Now. 5. Enter your passcode to confirm it's you. 6. Tap Erase iPhone. 7. Tap again to confirm. It's a quick process in the sense that you don't have to do much, but then the iPhone erases quickly too. Hopefully, you won't need or want to do this often, but when you do, it's probably easiest to reset this way, directly on the iPhone. If this was useful, please like, share, and subscribe. You can watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.